Hey y'all, welcome back. So, if you don't know, I'm currently working on my salon suite. So, about a week or so ago, I posted the shampoo bowl that I got. It is 100% portable, no plumbing required, hot water, all of that. So, today I decided to show you guys me putting together the shelf. Disregard all the boxes in the back. We literally just moved into our new house, so we have stuff everywhere. So my goal was to start putting together like all the storage and like organization stuff before I unpack, so that way as I unpack, I can keep it pretty organized. So this was a pretty easy process. It took me about an hour, but that's only because I was stopping and doing other things and getting distracted. But putting the shelf together was super simple. I got this from Target. I'll leave the link in the description box for you guys. The instructions said you need two people, but I did this by myself. My husband came in at the end and he put like the back up that kind of covers the holes, but that was literally like a piece of paper that you just kind of tap in the back. But I don't know, you don't need two people for this. So if this is something you want to do, you definitely can do it by yourself. So I'm pretty much, at this point, just tired. Okay, y'all, we've been moving for about, I feel like a year, but we have not. It's only been a couple of days, but it just has seemed like forever. So disregard my crazy hair and whatever, because your girl had on a hat and just got to work, took it off and got to work. But yeah, so I like the shelf. It's not super duper sturdy, but it's also not super duper, I can't even talk, super flimsy. I feel like for this price point, it's pretty reasonable. I did mess up on one spot. I'll show you guys at the end of the video, but I like it. I would love to include you guys in my process as I continue building the salon. It is, y'all, mentally draining, but I'm so excited for the final result. So I've just been giving myself a project or two or three a day, and this was probably like project number 4. But I decided to whip out my phone and record it. So y'all just stay tuned. I'm gonna add a chandelier in my room. I'm gonna go ahead and start mounting the ring lights and just all kind of stuff. Putting up my grass wall. I got a neon light for my birthday. So my husband and kids got it for me. I'm so excited because I just can't wait. But anyways, y'all, I'm gonna stop talking. Y'all can just watch me work. Make sure that you stay tuned to the end so you can see how this all came together. And turn on your post notifications so you can watch this journey as I build my suite. So that's it, y'all. I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.
Oils for the